Hello viewers, last time many users have missed the deal of Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE. Today in this video I will talk about a new offer that is going on in Samsung Shop app, and using my method you can get extra 5% discount with the existing offers. Currently the price of Tab S9 FE for the Wi-Fi 6GB version is about 32,999 rupees. After that, you will get 4,000 rupees instant discount on HDFC bank cards. It may be debit card or credit card. After applying the credit card offer, the effective price will be around 26,999 rupees. But this is not the offer. You can get still 5% more discount by calling the customer care of Samsung Shop. Or if you don't want to call them, you just have to select the product and add the product in your cart, and the customer care executive will automatically contact you and offer a 5% discount whenever you buy this product from Samsung Shop. So if you get extra 5% discount, in that case the effective price will be 25,649 rupees. Now you may ask me the question whether you should buy this product at a price point of 25,649 rupees. I will say that this is a decent buy, because normally the price of Tab S9 FE is above 30,000 rupees and you are getting this at a very enticing discount. So you should definitely check out if you really want to buy a tablet. Talking about Tab S9 FE, whether it is good enough for you, actually it comes with 10.9 inches LCD display. It has 6GB RAM and 128GB of internal storage. This is a Wi-Fi version for which I am talking about. The display of this Tab S9 FE is a very good display. It will give you great color reproduction. As this tablet was launched last year, you will get more 3 updates, that is major OS updates. The battery backup of Tab S9 FE is excellent, plus you will get S Pen in the box. By using S Pen you can do a lot of creative tasks like reading, taking notes and drawing, sketching and many other things. So if you are really interested to buy Tab S9 FE, this is the best time for you to buy it from Samsung Shop. However, if you want more discounts, you have to wait for big sale on Flipkart or on Amazon.in. So stay tuned and stay subscribed. I will let you know about more deals in the long run. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.